Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn to how to wrap the glasswares. Okay. Before going towards this is the autoclave which is present in our lab. See here, the safety valves is there. Okay. This is the safety valve and everything. That is the pressure was. See here, it is pressure is seen. The release valve is there. This release valve you have to tight when the pressure when autoclave is started. This is the working valve and this is the safety valve is there, and you have to open this. See here, it is stand is present, so you have to open like this. You have to press by your leg, and inside this autoclave this basket is present. Okay, and there is heating coil is present inside, as well as the stand is there. You have to check the water level of this autoclave. Okay, now see, this is the basket where you are going to keep your equipment. It is placed in keep I'll keep it. Okay. And now I will again I will check first. We have to release the pressure here. Then we have to tie those opposite side knots. This one side and this one side. Again, this one and this one. We have to tie the knots. Okay. Again, this side also. So by this way you have to lock this, okay, and you have to tight all this. I will not tight all these knots because I want to keep our equipment here. Okay, now we will see how to wrap the glasswares. Okay, so here I am to show you how to wrap the glasswares. Okay, these are the Petri plates which we require, and you have to keep. You have to handle this plate with this. You have to place it on your 3 fingers, only 3 fingers. Okay, and see, I will open it, close it. I will open it with my thumb and this index finger. Okay, so I will open it and close it like this. Okay, so we require this Petri plates, and these Petri plates should be very clean. So I will take the 5 Petri plates. See here, these are the 5 Petri plates. You have to keep these Petri plates on the paper. Okay, and then you have to take the newspaper for it. See here. Okay, so I will keep like this, see. Then I will again roll on it. Then you have to fold this paper very gently. Okay, like this. Then again you have to rub this paper, fold this paper very carefully, because we are going to do sterilization of these plates. Okay, so we are going to wrap this plate. Again fold it. Again fold it. This is the wrapping technique in microbiology. Okay. Again, now we will come here. Okay, the last point. So you have to take this part here, then fold it again. Okay, same with here, you have to and place it again. So this is the wrapping process of our petri plates, and then you have to tie it with thread. Okay, you have to tie it with the thread, this side also and this side also. Okay, so this is the petri plate wrapping. You have to prepare the cotton plugs like this for each and every test tube. The cotton plugs should be tied like this. Okay, and you have to prepare this cotton plugs for test tubes as well as the flask. Okay, so now we will see the how to wrap these test tubes. Okay, now we will see how to wrap these test tubes. Okay, so I prepare the cotton plug for each test tube. Okay, so I will take the 5 test tubes, the cotton plugs are there. Then I will take a beaker. You may take 100 ml or 500 ml beaker, but 500 ml is more sufficient. Keep your test tubes here. Then you have to take the paper, fold this paper like this, and then you have to tie this. You have to tie this newspaper very carefully. Okay, then this is ready for sterilization. Okay, the test tubes are ready for sterilization. Now I will tell you which ingredients are required. Before going towards ingredients, I will tell you how to wrap the pipette. Okay. Because in microbiology we require each and everything sterilized, isn't it? Okay. Okay, I take this. You will check. So now it is ready. So keep your tip of this pipette here only. Okay, at the corner of the paper. Then fold it. Okay, and just 1 minute. Okay, then fold it like this, and you have to roll these test tubes like this. Okay, you have to just roll it, roll over, roll over. Okay, very gently you have to roll this test tube, pipette. And after that you have to tie the thread here. Okay, at this end, as well as you have to tie the thread as this both side of the ends and one in the middle. Okay, so this is the wrapping process of pipette. Okay, so today we will see the raw materials which require for preparation of nutrient agar. This is the peptone. Peptone we require. Okay, then it is beef extract is required. Then agar powder is required. Dextrose or glucose, yeast extract. Okay, and NaCl, pinch of NaCl we are going to add. So these ingredients you have to take by measurements, that peptone 0.5 gram, beef extract, yeast extract 0.3 grams. Okay, you have to take all ingredients very proportionally, and then you have to add it into this flask. Okay, and you have to add 100 ml of distilled water. Then you have to plug this with cotton plug. Okay, then you have to boil this mixture till the all ingredients become dissolved in this distilled water, and then you have to wrap this again. There is again wrapping, so I will tell you how to wrap it. Again I will take the newspaper or any other paper. Don't take filter paper, because when it become wet, at that time they are not working properly. So you have to take the newspaper or any calendar paper, etc. So you have to tight this like this. You have to tie this part of the newspaper. Okay, so it looks like this when you tie this. Okay, so this is ready for sterilization. Then you can keep all these, that is the petri plates, the flask which contains the media, this pipette and these test tubes, they are ready for sterilization. You can keep this into autoclave, then wait for 121 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and then wait for cool down, and now your equipments are sterilized. Okay, thank you.